What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't heard, XRP is moving very, very nice so far today. It's the 21st of March. It's Tuesday afternoon. Markets just closed 4:04 p.m. on the East Coast. Guys, XRP at the top of the list for the past 24 hours. Percent gain to the upside, currently giving us a reading of 26.34% in the last 24, 4.92 in the last hour. Leading the way, guys, number 6 on the list for coin market cap. Right here, looks like XRP has a market cap at the moment. Let's see here, market cap for XRP. 24 billion right now and rising. 24 billion. XRP, guys, pumping very, very nice. Let's check out the charts. Here we are, XRP up 25.97%. Bitcoin, let's see, giving us a battle. We talked about this in the last video. 28,249. We are wicking above it. That's our current resistance level. We spoke about a slight pause in Bitcoin, guys, as the RSI getting overbought. But we have seen RSI higher in the past, so the price could grind and break out higher to that $30,000 mark. So back to XRP. A couple things here, guys. We spoke about this in some recent videos, maybe yesterday's or the days prior to that, but it was recent. The 39.9 level, very important level to break above. Very important level, guys. And today we're getting that massive, massive candle to the upside. We were struggling here at resistance at the 43, 410, 43, 537. Blasted above that, got above 45, got above 46, got above 47,060, hit our perfect target up there at 48,001, and that is current resistance as we back away below the market as potential support 47,060. Above 48,001 would be 48,700, and then the big old 58.42, 508.42. So we'll see where we close today's candle. We have a couple of hours left in the day. So we'll see, but very, very nice. I can almost guarantee that the price will stop at one of these levels above the market as resistance and pull back and close below one of them. Just like we saw over in here, we had a rocket all the way up to 55 cents and the market pulled back and actually closed below at 508.42. And you can see that level was into play for a while. But we don't know where we're closed today. So far, we are still moving to the upside, up 26.4%. RSI at a reading of 74. I believe we've seen RSI higher before for XRP. Here's a reading of 75. Let's see. Here's another reading of 72. Here's a big reading right here. What's this? 83. So there's a little bit of confirmation that we've seen higher RSI. Here's another one. This is an 80. So we are a little lofty in the RSI, but price is more than likely just getting started as we are breaking out of this massive multi-year pennant pattern. Wedge to the downside. We have this massive, massive wedge to the downside. And unless we reverse all the way back down today, this is a huge, huge breakout. And it should be, because there is tons and tons and lots of energy built up in this pattern. We talked about this in the past. There's energy built up. It's a coiled up spring full of energy. And when it breaks, the energy should be released in a potential big, big way. And what are we seeing right now? We're seeing the early stages of that. XRP messed around a little bit for, a week or two, trying to break out resistance. And then so far today might be the confirmation breakout. So don't mind this messy chart here. Let me try to clean it up for you guys. Hope everybody's having a great day. So far, nice to see XRP up in the green. Let's talk about some upper price targets. We did speak about this in the last video, but as a quick refresher, if you missed those, or if you're new to the channel, welcome guys, and let me know your thoughts on the XRP price targets above the market. I'm usually pretty conservative here with these targets. I hope I'm wrong, and I hope the price goes higher, but if we can get up into that $1.50, $2 range, I think we'll hit these targets no problem. So first target based on this big pennant pattern here, we have a $2.12, $2.12 XRP. Right now we're trading at 47 cents. So that's a $2.12 XRP for our target number one. Keep in mind, we could find resistance at any one of these levels in between that for at least the short term. So $1.21, 96, 82, 68, 61. Lots of short-term targets, resistance levels above the market. Our big target, though, right now is up there at the $2.12. Above that, we have another target, which would be $2.85. Way up here, $2.85. Man, it would be nice to see a $2.85 XRP, that's for sure. And then above that, we have $2.92, 300. So between the 285 and 292, I think is a pretty good sweet spot based on this big pattern here and a big move to the upside. So that's based on that time frame going back since, let's see here, basically the April of 2021. So all the way back to 2021, we are currently in 2023. So boy, oh, Bill, we have been trending down for a couple years now, and it has been a brutal grind to the downside. And if this breakout does hold, you will be very happy. You are accumulating over the past couple years. All right, let's take a zoom out, guys. We have some bigger price targets here for XRP based on prices going back to 2017 and 2018. Way back in here. Many years, if you've been around that long, we are in this huge consolidation. Upper targets, guys, based on going back to 17-18, gives us a $6.17 XRP on the money. If we hit that level, that would be our target number one, $6.17. Wow. Incredible to see that. Like I said, these are conservative. Add some zeros to these, and hopefully that would take place. Hopefully I'm wrong here. But I think these are very realistic, especially if we break out past our all-time high going back to that 2017-2018 timeframe. Target number two, guys, $11.15. $11.15 for XRP. Incredible. Way up there. These targets are so realistic that, like I said, they're very conservative, and I hope I'm wrong. Add a zero to these, and, that'd be amazing. But based on our past trading history, our chart, those are my targets. We have an $11 XRP, a $6 XRP, based on some more short-term stuff going back to 2021, a $2.12, $2.85 XRP, and we have some stuff in between there in the fours and the $4 to $5 range. We also have all of our shorter-term targets all in here, basically under $1. So things are looking good. Let's see how we close today. If we can close strong, that would be fantastic. If we close weak, I would be concerned. So right now it looks good, but like I said, we have a couple hours left until this candle closes. Now, I want to mention, guys, things change big time if you throw the Fibonacci's up here. I think we did this in yesterday's video, so we could take our swing high over here to our swing low, and the Fibonacci's give us some very high price targets. And, math doesn't lie, so like I said, I think my targets are very conservative and should be easily hit in this cycle, in a bullish cycle for XRP. And as long as it trends and holds its trend. My 11, my 6, and my $2 and $2.85 XRP could and should easily be hit, because the Fibonacci's tell us a whole different story. They tell us crazy high XRP prices. The 1.6 is right around our $6 mark, so that is a very important area. Then we have the 2.6 up there at a $41 XRP. So you can see all of a sudden that XRP could be much higher than where it is now based on fib numbers. The 3.6 is up there at $271. The 4.23 is up there at $873. That even sounds slightly uncomfortable to talk about prices that high, but who knows, guys? Like I said, I'm very conservative here for this. Been around a long time and seen this thing do wild moves. You know, it's crazy. It's pumping huge, and then the emotions flip like a switch, and they turn to the downside. So you got to have some areas to lock in your profits if that is what you're looking for. So if we take the fibs, guys, and we draw them from our all-time high down to our low here, which is right around that, I guess, 11 cents or so. This takes us up to our 1.618. So where we're starting based on that high going back in the 17-18 time frame gets us up to $1.618 fib is a $25 XRP. So that is another, $15 to $20, $25 is, another number people talk about. Like I said, my highest targets right now are at $6 to $11, but the fibs give us way, higher prices. The 2.618 is up there at $730, and things just get ridiculous as you move higher here. So we have 3.6 is up there at, what is that, 20,000? I mean, things are crazy. So I don't know. We'll see. But like I said, start this thing off right. $2.12 to $2.85 is very conservative. Should easily be hit if this pattern breaks out fully. So far, it's looking like it's going to. And then we have a couple in here in the $4 to $5 range, and then we have our 6 to 11 based on our going back to that 2018 time frame for XRP. We've seen it happen before, and hopefully we see it again. Big things take place when XRP is ready to go. And it doesn't look more ready than it has and is starting to look like today than it has in a long time. So we'll have to see what happens here. I have all of these different price levels on my chart. And like I said, anywhere along the line, this thing could find resistance, so that could be the top for at least a period of time. I think we have a long way to go, but I'm not going to ignore my price targets above and both below the market. My first set of targets based on this pattern, like I said, is at a $2.12 and $2.85 XRP. If we keep on rallying above that, it's $6 to $11. And then after that is where we would put the Fibonacci's on and pay attention to them. You guys have a great day. XRP up 26.77%. Some resistance coming in at one of our levels. Let me zoom in and I'll show you this here. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. So guys, if you trade short term, just so you know, I'm not trading XRP short term, but if you're trading futures or something like that, even some liquid stocks, 3-minute time frame, it's golden. Check it out next time you're day trading or reviewing stocks. So far, you can see how our price level at 48,001 was hit perfectly, and the price is pulling back for now. We should find support at 47,060. If not, we're heading down to the 46,039 or even that 45,546. You can see when we get to these levels, they act as resistance for a period of time, just like this one did here at the 43,073. Then we rallied up all the way up to our 46,039, chopped around our 45,546, rallied back up to our 48,001, didn't quite pull back to our 47,060. And if the price can continue to rally, we'll break out back above our 48,001. And then what's next, guys? 48,700. What's above that? 50,842. 3-minute time frame, guys. If you are a short-term trader, check out the time frame. It's great. Some people use the 5, some people use the 15. The 3-minute time frame is very, very good. I think it's that sweet spot. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know your craziest thoughts on XRP. All comments are welcome. Have a good one.